In the last 4 to 5 years, the best investment that I've made are not stocks, crypto, or anything else. It has been the investment I've done on myself. I have learned almost every single skill online with my laptop and an internet connection, and for that I've spent a lot of money as well. I've gone through free courses, the cheapest courses, as well as courses which are really expensive. After going through so many courses, there are certain things that I have understood while picking out a course. The first and the foremost thing that you should look out for when you're enrolling to a course is to make sure that it aligns with the outcomes that you are hoping for. For example, after learning the skill for video editing, you want a job in the market, then try to search for courses which offer guaranteed jobs. If instead you're looking for a course maybe in the coding sector where you're learning about software development, then maybe you're looking to expand your network as well. So look for a course which provides an entire community support too. The reason I'm saying this is because I've purchased many of these courses from cheap websites and I ended up regretting it because they don't have community support, they don't offer any guarantees, and the courses are also pretty old and not updated. So I'm here to showcase you a platform where I'm taking my latest course on software engineering, and this is also for beginners. By the way, they have many more courses, so let's just go onto my laptop and I'll showcase the entire platform. So here I'm on Springboard's platform. Now this platform provides you with different courses. There are software engineering track if you want to pursue that, you have data analytics, you have cyber security, even in design, UI UX design. If you want to learn that, you can learn that over here as well. Now the track that I chose specifically was the software engineering career track, and here you also get a job guarantee. Yes, many of these courses come with a guaranteed job placement, which I really liked, and apart from that you can also take a career quiz in order to determine which career you should choose and go ahead with. Now I was pretty clear with the software engineering track, so I just got into it, but you can choose any of the tracks that you like. The best part about it is that Springboard needs to give you a guaranteed job, so that's why they screen individuals out before they even enroll you. So yes, there is a kind of an entrance test for all of these tracks. For the software engineering track, I also had to give an entire test on HackerRank, and that's how I got into it. So now let's go over to the course and see how it actually looks like. So here you can see software engineering career, and you can go on to the curriculum and look at all the things and features that they provide. Now I've just started with this course, but it has the entire curriculum unlocked for me. I can go through all of these modules at my own pace, and that's the best part about it. Apart from that, you also get a mentor call, so you can actually connect with a mentor and talk directly with them. Apart from that, they also have an entire community just dedicated for software engineering track. So here you can just click on join student Slack and it'll take you to the Slack community page where you can actually talk to individuals who are doing the exact same thing as you are. You can already see that people are really active with these communities, and there are a lot of people that you can directly talk to. Apart from the community part, they also give you a help option. So if you have any doubts regarding the platform or the career track that you've chosen, you can directly just submit it over there. This in no way is just a normal course that you buy on Udemy or Coursera. This is an entire program with a job guarantee at the end. So they want to make sure that you learn every single thing from these modules. Apart from this, they also provide you with a section of effective interviewing. Yes, they help you with the entire interview process. Apart from that, they also help you with salary negotiation and other things also. So this program takes you from a beginner who knows nothing about the software engineering track to a complete expert landing a job in the US or Canada. So I'll be going through this course and up my skills in the software engineering track. But now of course I don't need a job, but if your outcome is to get a guaranteed job, then this is the perfect course for you. Now the bootcamp program that I have enrolled into is a 13-week program. Of course you can change it depending on your needs. So for example, over here, if I come down, you can see that you can do it within 13 weeks or 36 weeks if you take a part-time role. So what is the cost for the entire program? Well, let's just apply and see. So here you need to enter your email address. Let me just add that in. Now I've already enrolled here, so it would showcase that I've already enrolled. Now once you enter your email address, you will be taken to this form where you don't require any resume, you don't require any credit card details. You can just start filling it up right away. I'll just fill it up with my details. Also, because this comes with a job guarantee in US or Canada, you actually will get a lot of benefits if you have a valid work visa for working over there. I currently don't, so I'll just keep it to none of the above and I'll just accept it. So once you fill the form out, you'll get an email. Then you have to complete a technical review. Of course, this is a software engineering track, so you have to do it on HackerRank. Once you've passed the technical interview step, then you can essentially reserve your seat and start with the course directly. Also, if you're interested in learning about digital marketing or how to accept foreign payments, then you can watch these two videos. I hope you guys like this video. Do press the like button, do subscribe to this channel for more such updates, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.